So after I cleaned them from all the grease with acetone, since you can see this JB-weld thing, I'm sure you can see where all this is going. So I put that thing everywhere that I see cracks. So I'm looking for any more cracks, but To be honest, I don't think I will succeed in this now that I look at it. Okay. Now I will leave this like that somehow. And I need more material. Well, as I have to wait for the original camshafts to get for the glue to settle up, I thought I could try maybe the 3D printing method. So I 3D printed these back cams. I was also afraid that the next days I wouldn't be able to remember how I took this all out, so I thought I could rush, although I had the videos and they helped a lot. This camshaft here was also broken anyway, so I wouldn't do anything. Look at this now. You see? Let me explain you what this camshaft does. So this camshaft here, this camshaft lowers this part here, just like that, you see? It lowers it down. So when you put fast forward, the roller that engages on this wheel takes another place to bypass the clutch and run fast. This is what this camshaft here does. The other camshaft here, when it engages, normally this is here. So when this camshaft engages like that, when you engage it once more like that, you engage record, and this is activating this rod that goes to the preamplifier. Here exactly, that goes here, just like that. No, just like that. It goes like that and engages this stuff here to put the preamplifier in record mode. That's what the other camshaft here does. So at the time, until the original ones settle, I don't even know if I would take this out and put back the originals. This was broken anyway, so I will leave this. I had only PLA. That is a problem because PLA is not strong, so I don't know how much these two will last. This is not a big problem because this is only compressed, but this here is stressed generally, and I'm afraid it won't last with PLA. At least I know what it does, I know how it does it, so and I know now how to disassemble all this. So if this breaks, I feel more secure that I can do something better. I can even make this a little bit more with more strength by adding some material here and there, or print ABS or whatever. I will think about it. That's all for today. And I think tomorrow I will try to 3D print the other camshafts that are on the other side, although the original ones had cracks but were intact. So I will see how it goes with the other camshaft, and then I will decide if I will 3D print new ones or keep the originals.